Everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Excel document on macOS as a PDF. Let's begin this tutorial. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on File. Then we're going to click on the button that says Print. And then now if you look at the bottom, you'll see an option for PDF. So what you want to do is you want to click on the option that says PDF, and then you'll see a list of options at the bottom. One of them will say Save as PDF. So now we're going to choose the option that says Save as PDF. And then after that, we'll be presented with an option to name our Excel file. So I'll just call this Test, and then from there, we're going to hit Save. Alrighty. So as you can see, now that Excel file has been successfully saved as a PDF document. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.